The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 141, effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Carter, Garvin, Jefferson, Johnston, Love, Marshall, Murray, Onatouk, and Stevens. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch.
Hello everybody, welcome to today's Radar Shark video. Today we are doing our very first planes storm chase. We just drove into Oklahoma City last night. We're still in Oklahoma City. It's so flat, so freaking open. We saw a crazy lightning show last night from a supercell that produced a violent tornado near Enid, Oklahoma. We didn't see the tornado, but we saw the storm driving in. We currently have a 5% hatch risk for tornadoes. Today, we're going to drive to Ardmore, Oklahoma, and we're going to wait for storms to initiate there. Here's a little thing of the risk here. And, yeah, let's head out. Holy cow, Dad. Welcome to freaking Tornado Alley. Okay, that's not bad. I said that's not bad. It's what? Good, no. Yes, it does. Holy hecky. Alright guys, storms have initiated off an outflow boundary. We have a lowering just back there. I think this thing is possibly latched onto the outflow boundary. It might be it might try to produce a tornado. We're not exactly sure yet, but I'm really nervous. I'm just like this. I'm still not over my storm anxiety. But dude, oh my gosh, dude, we got a nice wall cloud back there. All right, I think we're gonna move now. We're gonna move now and get to some other hills. Leafy wall cloud there. We got some hail coming our way. Got an inflow tail right there. This could do it, Dad. I'm seeing some little dangly bits actually. Not exactly sure if it has rotation though. Very nice though. This is some glorious storm structure. It's the best I've seen in my life.
We got a clear shot of when that stuff was hanging.
Dude, look at this. You can see the full freaking mesocyclone. Dude, there's scud rising up into it. It's trying. It's trying, Dad. It's probably gonna try to produce a tornado. Right back in that area, right back there. beefy wall cloud, beefy mesocyclone. This thing could drop any second. Woo! Let's freaking go! I think it was a good choice to come out here and chase today. All the chasers are showing up. Oh my gosh. Is that a tour group? Yes, tour group.
Serious?
Yes, there were two identical vans right next to each other running away from it. Which, now that I think about it,
Do you want me to set up a time lapse over here? Check.
hey Dad, I think we're in the RFD. We're in the path. Let's keep going. Actually, I don't know if it's a good idea.
Perfect. Man, this thing really turned into
A monster.
yeah. Man, what a real chase.
Yeah.
Over here.
Alrighty, guys. That was great. So we still have tomorrow to chase some more storms, and then we have the next day after that. So if you want to turn to that, subscribe again. That updraft right there that's the Supercell of the storm that we just tracked today. It's the best structure I've seen in my entire life. I've been chasing Dixie crap this entire time. So finally seeing some Oklahoma Photogenic Supercells. It's awesome. I can't wait for tomorrow. It's Sunday. And if you want to see that Storm Chase video, subscribe.